Passing for the baby. Oh. Gago ka. Gago ka. O, yan natuloy. Tangina mo. O, ano ka ngayon? O, ano ka ngayon dyan? Tangina mo. Oh, ay.
Play.
Skip na nga. Skip na na. Tapos ilalagay ito. Make a post. Ay! Naman o. More. Layo naman ng rep. Ang laki ng rep. Laki ng rep. Nagawin ko. Okay, so laro tayo ng Baby in Yellow. Medyo scary siya, pero try lang natin. Mapapalitan ng damit yung baby. Hindi din. Simulan na natin. Let's start. It's time for bed. Matay baby ako. Nakatakot naman yung baby. Yung sundan niya ako natin. Pick up the baby. Tapos lagay ko siya ulit doon. Ano sabi? Get the baby. Get the bottle from fridge. Get the bottle from fridge. Saan ba ang fridge? Dito. Buksan natin. Siyempre, bibigay ito sa baby, diba? Ayan. Uy! Hindi na baby mo. Kung alam matatakot ako, matatawa dito. Nakakita yung baby. Take the baby to the changing table. Wait lang nga. Saan ko siya i-change? Dito daw, changing table. Saan ang changing table? Ay! Sorry! Laundry. Wait lang, inaanap ko nga yung changing table mo eh. Saan ko i-change lang ng diaper? Gusto ko lang naman maglaro, pinag-alaga pa ako ng baby. Saan ang changing table? Dito. Ito. Okay. Tapos, get new natin. Get new natin. Saan ako po ah? Ha? Saan yung baby? Ano yung baby to? O, ayan na. Take the baby to the bed. Sige. Tulog na tayo. Dito ba yung bed niya? Diba ito yung bed niya? Find the storybook and sit down. Storybook. And sit down. Ayan, the prince and the cat.
Across the shore, in distant lands, with dark stars overhead, the prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on his bed.
I found a secret garden,
said the cat with much delight. Excitedly, they ran outside, explorers in the night. They walked through the golden garden gate.
Look at the pretty trees.
They walked along the pretty pebble path.
Look at the colorful flowers.
They walked past the fabulous flowing fountain.
Look at the dancing water. Look, look, look.
But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat watched on in fear.
What a mistake I made,
the cat cried out.
I should never have brought him here.
Okay. So ni baby, tulog na. Leave and close the door. Baby, close. Oh, watch on the TV on the sofa. Watch daw, TV. Maganda siya kasi may gagawin ka. Di tulad na ibang horror games na hindi mo alam anong next mong gagawin. Dahil talagang kailangan mo ng matindihang observation. Dito, ikaw talaga yung may sinusunod ka na lang na guide. Ganyan naman. Umiyak ng baby. Settle baby. Sa taas. Lah! Saan yung baby? Saan yung baby? Saan yung ayun? Ginagawa mo dyan? Put the baby to sleep again and back. Ay, baby, kumyan. Bakit salis ka dyan? Oh, ayan, tulog ka na dyan. Put the correct lashy. Ano daw? Ito? Put the correct lashy in the cot. Saan ako kukuha? Ah, ito.
More soothing than music. More awful than death.
I think maybe siya sa cat. Kasi di ba yung sa story mo kanina ay cat?
As I fell, I knew that the baby in yellow had opened their tattered
Leave
mantle,
and close the door.
and there was only God to cry to now.
Isa tayo. Run. Okay. Nod na lang TV. Tapos, ano na? Press to start. Ah, okay. Parang next chapter na siya. Get the bottle from fridge. So, parang daily routine siya ng gagawin. Yun pala ito nakakatakot. Oh. Na? Ano nangyari? Na? Wait, ano nangyari? Ba't nakalak nga ako? Find the bottle. Ah, nag-horror na. Yung paranormal activity. Nawala yung bote. Ah, ito. Siyempre bubukas na to, di ba? Oo, di ba? Laro to si ate mo. Okay, change to the changing TV. Ay! Nagkaroon ng... Na! Nagkaroon ng katawan. Alam mo naman nakatakot. Ay, magpahuli ah. Ba yan? Ha? Ano gagawin ko? Baba na tayo doon. As ilalagay niya, o lalagay natin ulit sa baby. Diba? Change. Tapos, take the baby to the bed. Yeah! Ito na, ganon. Take baby to the bed. Parang nakasimangot yung baby. Ayan. Inagis. Tapos, find the storybook and see. Ayan. The rabbit naman. Si Sit down. Ayan.
When the rabbit came to visit, the prince said time to play.
Skip
But
na
his
nga.
beast
Skip na na. Dapat pala hindi natin i-skip, nagagalit yung baby. Ito na nga. Ayan. Tapos, continue reading. Dapat pala hindi nga i-skip. Sige, hindi na.
Through dark corridors he chased her. Hop, hop, hop. A relentless, futile flight. Hop, hop, hop. Round and round inside the palace, in and out of space and sight. Hop, hop, hop. The prince, he couldn't catch her. His heart was filled with wrath. The rabbit slipped right out the door and vanished down the path. The prince cried out,
I need new friends. More. Now, another.
I'll bring you some, don't worry now, replied his loving, caring mother.
Okay, tapos na. So, syempre tulog na to, tapos aalis na tayo ulit. Diba? Tapos nood na ulit to ng TV. Is that door? Pwede ba i-check muna? Put the box on the dining table. Hey! Gulat na ako. Gising na naman yung baby. Finally. Peace to watch. Paano peaceful to watch? Nalaglag nga yung stop toy galing sa taas. Yun na yun. Sige. Next. Ganun lang yun. Oh, watch. Paano manonood ng TV? Ang lawak. Ewan ko na. Ewan ko na nga. Nasa piano yata yung baby. Ah, hindi. Kuwawa ka naman. Okay. So, find something to eat. Perhaps a cheesy toast. Cheesy toast. Cheese. Ang hirap naman niya ito. Ito may toast maker. Tapos yung cheese. Tapos ilalagay din. Make a toast. Ay! Bay. Ano nga yan? Paano ka tayo pakainin? Feed me. Feed the baby. To monster. Okay, ito na. Papakainin ko naman ah. Anak na yung baby. Nasaan yung baby? Wait nga, ito na nga. Saan ko papakainin ng baby? Feed me. Uy. Karoon ng ano, more. Layo naman ng rep. Ang laki ng rep. lang yung baby. Wait. Saan ako pupunta? Out of reach. Sa loob ako ng break. Oo eh. Saan ako pupunta? Ano to? Wala. Tapos, ano ko yung lalabas? Kakalito na ha. Nilo ako. Ay, paano ko napunta doon? No? Hindi na ako natatakot. Ayan, may bago itsura ng baby oh. Take the baby to the change. Bakit ang baby? Diyan ka. Pakita mo. Ano gawin ko? Ano gawin ko? Break the emergency glass. Ano yun? Ano yung emergency glass? Upstairs. Nasaan? Ay ko. Tapos, pacify the baby. Oo. Gago ka. Gago ka. O, yan natuloy. Tangina mo ah. O, ano ka ngayon? O, ano ka ngayon dyan? Tangina mo ah. O, ay. Nakso ka tuloy doon. Take baby to bedroom. Gago eh. Ay! Ito na naman. Oo nga, babasahan ka na ng kwento. Settle the baby. Ano kung isa-settle yung baby? Huwag ka dyan. Correct flashy. Ito pa ata hindi ko nabibigay. Yung ship. The Prince and the Sheep.
It was cold throughout the palace. The moon shone bright outside. The wind, it blew and blew. Oh no! The curtains flew open wide. The little prince was in his bed and couldn't get to sleep. So he called out for his mother, "Please go and find my sheep." "I'm thirsty," said the prince. So the sheep fetched a drink. "I'm dirty," said the prince. So the sheep changed his clothes. "I'm tired," said the prince. "Let me count you. 1, 2, 3.
Wala na, iba na itsura ng baby.
Said the
Pangit mo.
prince. Before I drift to sleep,
Maganda naman
he
siya.
opened up his
Actually,
big red eyes.
natutuwa ako sa
Turned
ano,
to face the sheep.
sa gameplay niya. Kahit na obvious naman na may
My
horror
dreams.
talaga. Pero
Stay
parang
forever in my head.
lalaroin mo talaga siya ng lalaroin. Kumbaga parang di ka
Obediently, the sheep
hindi naman sa hindi ka
stepped forth.
matatakot, pero parang malakas loob mo
Its
na lang.
mind,
Di tulad ng ibang horror games na talagang aayawan mo laro.
I dread.
Mawala na yung baby. Yun na yun. Meron pa. May Act 2. Okay. Siguro sa iba ko na lang lalaroin yung Act 2. Actually, maganda talaga siya yung game na to. Hindi ko siya nilalaro talaga usually kasi nakikita ko lang siya sa aking Play Store. So, pag nilaro mo siya, ang suggestion ko maganda sa umaga. Kasi kapag sa gabi, baka may matrigger sa'yo ng mga anxiety or baka matakot ka or hindi mo siya matapos laruin. Pero, masaya siya laruin actually. Hindi siya yung super duper nakakatakot pero nakakagulat. Ganon. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga horror games na nilalaro ko na talagang aayawan mo siya laruin. Pero ito, maganda siya actually. So, i-continue ko na lang yung next nito sa part 2.